Okay, so this is a beginner dance practice to I Don't Care by Ed Sheeran and Justin Bieber. If you missed the lesson, then make sure you click the link in the description to get to it first. Okay, so on my count, we're going to do swirl, just a basic swirl. You get for a club style, you can do it smaller. If you want it more house style, then you make the step wider. On my count, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's really important that you get the rhythm by mirroring me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on your own. Alright, good. So we're going to do it again, and this time we're going to create movements. We're going to go back and forth with the dance move. On my count, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Move. Nice. Okay, so continue on creating movement. We're going to do the same thing, but we're going to go into a slow circle. So my count, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Circle. Good. Other way. Again. Good. Other way. All right. Okay, so now we're going to complicate things a little bit. This time, if you have your rhythm down, then I want you guys to think about swiping your hands. Alright, so on my count, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Alright, so just a little bonus. We're going to try some cheesy dance moves, okay? So you can try to make your hands bigger, or you can do it like a wave, just like the pink hippo in the music video. On my count, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Okay, so final variation. We're going to do a switch up pattern. Single, single, double up. So single, single, double up. This one's tricky, so if you're still having trouble with the rhythm, just stick to the singles. But if you're ready for it, follow me on the switch up pattern. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Single, single, double up. Single, single, double up. Single, single, double up. Single, single, double up. Awesome. Great job, guys. Hey, thanks so much for watching. If you want more lessons and practices to I Don't Care, then make sure you click the link in the description.